Ask me why I put it here, because I'm not going out. She says hi. I said it. Can you hear me? The father is speaking Mary. When you always speak Mary, go to your house and pray. He's taking Mary. You see how when you always take Mary to the house and pray, like you ask them to bring Mary to your house and they'll pray. Yeah. Can you hear me? I'm saying that again. Father is taking Mary. You see how when you always see Mary preach, they always ask them to bring Mary to your house and they'll pray. You know what?
Like I'm not doing.
Like you need by yourself.
Because it's not enough like that.
Yeah, I think it's because of the flipping thing.
If you need Anne to be your production team.
Yeah. COVID-19 or COVID 2023. 2023.
324.
But these people can name like diseases. So how can he come up with COVID?
The disease price means
better than this twin.
And you ask for it twin 3. B, what are you eating?
Okay, don't test your what to this person for the test. Some of them will put that cotton in your nose.
I've never done the test before.
Your brain out.
Yeah,
That test I did it once. I was like, what?
Yeah.
You want to kill me?
See, you start crying.
Have you done the test before?
That's why I took the vaccine. I mean,
I only took the vaccine.
yeah, I didn't want to go through.
And they gave me $100.
With the vaccine.
They gave you money for the vaccine, and I was.
Was it also when they started?
They
You know
use
vaccine.
they use you as
No. I think
a lab rat.
no, it was on campus. They said everybody have to get it.
Yeah, so they
Yeah.
use you as a
They were
lab
giving
rat.
money.
If they give you money for the vaccine,
No, it was a gift card.
oh,
They were giving to everybody
Everybody who takes the
who
gift
takes
card.
the
Who
vaccine on campus. So you have for me eating the food, so it won't digest. That's what they said. That's what I heard. Okay.
Hello, Sister Rose, how are you doing?
I want to sleep. Let's sleep and rather wake up around 5.
when is it starting?
7.
And you're cooking plenty food.
Really plenty meat.
4 o'clock. I mean 4 hours.
What's time? 3?
At 7 p.m.
Somebody's name calling to be sure that the food is coming.
That woman. Literally, we are cutting, we are peeling, we are cutting, we are. I don't know what we're doing.
Explain.
But we are trying to make the sauce. So we are doing the onions, the garlic, all those ingredients that is needed for the jollof to be sweet. Yeah. So that's what you're going to do right now. So yeah, enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment.
You already do what you love.
Small one for us.
We will do
Hey, the cooking is beginning.
add it to there again. Add some more.
That means you have to measure the rice you put here, because that's a lot over there.
Yeah, there's a lot of rice.
Yeah. Let me see what is going on. What's she doing? I'm recording.
So I'm bringing it out.
Not a small job with that.
Rice is ready.
My high heat was also
I need a Christmas tree for my birthday. This is so pretty. What? I'm doing a video. What is this?
Which one?
That's a Christmas package.
It's a decoration.
Oh, it's just.
That's where they will put the posada.
Oh, when they are coming, they'll put Mary there.
Yeah, very interesting.
This is so pretty. Okay, record the father. Some way of father for this. Like the sun. Go. Before they will take my seat, go. Banale dear. Bakamba dear, what kind of telephone?
Roguemos al Señor. Jesús mío, mi amor, mi hermoso niño.
Te proclamo mi Salvador y mi amigo.
Divino niño Jesús, por los méritos de tu infancia.
Escucha nuestra oración.
Divino niño Jesús, por los méritos de tu infancia.
Escucha nuestra oración.
Divino niño Jesús, por los méritos de tu infancia.
Escucha nuestra oración.
Divino niño Jesús, por los méritos de tu infancia.
Escucha nuestra oración.
Divino niño Jesús, por los méritos de tu infancia.
Escucha nuestra oración.
Divino niño Jesús, por los méritos de tu infancia.
Escucha nuestra oración.
Divino niño Jesús, por los méritos de tu infancia.
Escucha nuestra oración.
Divino niño Jesús, por los méritos de tu infancia.
Escucha nuestra oración.
Divino niño Jesús, por los méritos de tu infancia.
Escucha nuestra oración.
Divino niño Jesús, por los méritos de tu infancia.
Escucha nuestra oración.
Oh Dios Padre, Hijo y Espíritu Santo,
En ti creo, en ti espero, en ti